Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In Windows 10, search box is added to the taskbar. But if you think it consumes more apps in taskbars, moreover you want to keep some apps in taskbar, basically you can hide or show search box. It depends on your own need. And in this video, I am going to show you how to hide and unhide search box in Windows 10. Let's jump into my screen. Here just right click on taskbar and click on search. Here you can find there are three options: hidden, show search icon and show search box. So if you click on hidden, then you can find there is no search box over here in taskbar. So then how we can search? Just click anywhere and type anything, search box will appear automatically. So this is how you can hide the search box from taskbar. And this is another method, same thing. You have to right click on the taskbar, go to the search and click on show search icon. Then you can find there is a small search icon over here. Click on here and you can type anything. The search box will open. So in the same way, if you want to get back to the original one, that means you want your search box over in taskbar, in the same way go to the search and click on show search box. Then you can find your search box will appear over in taskbar. So this is how you can hide or unhide text box in taskbar in Windows 10. That's it. Always thanking you guys to watching my video. If you really like this, please do subscribe and share it with others. Thank you.